Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. My name is Hafiz and I'm from Blockbusters. So, as a software tester today, I'm going to test my module, which is model user notification. So, the first test case will be a doctor receive email notification. So, first, let's go create at the Katalon. Here we have already here. I'm going to go to create new, and then for the description, let's take a look at the description. So this test case is to verify the system send an email here. Okay, and the precondition is that the doctor is registered in the system with the email address recorded in the system. Okay, click OK. And then alright, after that we're going to run. So make sure that here are the local hosts that we have. Okay, so let's start it. So first let's log in as a patient. Once we log in as a patient, we must assign with symptoms, and once that happens, the doctor should receive email notification from the assign of the patient, which is Cairo Ahmed bin Ahmad, being assigned by the Dr. Fakir Amin. So send health symptoms doctor, choose symptom, maybe let's go for vomiting. Add one more, let's go for high fever. Okay, alright, this is the result. And so stop, then go to save script. Okay, then I'm going to run for the doctor receive email notification. Okay, I didn't get to choose the symptoms as well. Still running. You can see here it is still running, so it means that it hasn't finished running the test case. Okay, so it finished and already passed. So that's the first test case. So let's now go back to the next test case. Is that so for the next test case, we're going to test patient receive email notification. So it's here. Okay. First, we must log in as the doctor. So the using ID is Ricardo and the password is Muhammad Fikri. So log in to it. Okay, so go to the My Patients, and we're going to send a prescription to one of our patients. Let's see. Let's go to the David Muhammad Saidi. Alright. So first we're going to give the prescription maybe paracetamol. Okay, I'm sorry, there's a little lagging in there. Alright, then this is a just test. We're going to add a medicine which is paracetamol. Prescription is uh, eat every day. Eat every day. Alright. Okay, so we're going to send submit, and then update the receiving change confirm. Okay, so this is the result. Alright, and then let's click the red dot here, and then we're going to save script, and then we're going to click OK. And after that, here we have the automation steps. We're going to run the Katalon to run the test cases, which is a patient receive email notification. first login as a doctor. Login. Okay, dashboard. Go to the My Patient tab. Send prescription, paracetamol, test, and then every day confirm. Alright, that's test cases. It's very fast. Let's go for our third test case. For the third test case, let's go for the exception test case, which is these test case are for exception flow. So let's create first. Okay, so this is receiving exception receive email notification. Okay, so let's turn on web host and then let's start our recording. So again, we're going to log in as doctor. Okay, we're going to log in as a doctor, and then we're going to assign ourselves to an unknown patient to a patient. Let's see if we can run it. So let's go assign a patient, and then here we have we try test Amir Rafiq again. So let's go Amir Shafiq. So let's click assign patient, confirm. Okay, so this is what we have. So we're going to click here. We're going to save script. Click OK. And after that, take steps for automation. In place, we're going to run the test. Chrome driver are open. Login as the doctor. Freelamin. We are on the dashboard. Go to assign patient tab. Assign patient, confirm.